Hello, my name is Robert Soto, and I'm the Director of National Sales with Snap-on Business Solutions. Our focus is on the OEM dealerships across the U.S. We specialize in new builds, renovations, and add-on facility support. The purpose of this short video is to let you know if you need any facility work to your dealership service area, my team of fixed operations facility consultants are ready to support your needs. We follow a 5-step proven methodology process to deliver a consistent message. We begin with consultation, where we help define your needs and goals. Then we create a custom design using your information to craft an achievable solution. After presenting a detailed proposal, we manage all delivery and installation of your new equipment and then follow up with ongoing support to ensure you have a successful and profitable operation. In closing, I would like to leave you with one thought. Please consider using our services, as they are a free service provided to you by your OEM management team. Why risk change orders, or worse, the loss of productivity due to not laying out your facility with the highest technician workflow efficacy? Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.